Hello dear kids. How are you? Are you missing me? I am missing you a lot, and all our Crayons International's teachers are also missing you people. You know where I am sitting? In every video you see the new part of this school. And this time I'm sitting in our counseling room. You know, this is the most beautiful room of the school. Here you see our beautiful students, our proud. So these are all our beautiful students. Some are our teachers, some are of some are in background music, some are advocates, some are footballers, and there are people from army also. All the students have always make us proud. But this particular room I like most because this room is also the art and craft room. And you know why this is very beautiful and close to my heart? Because the name of our school is also crayons, and crayons means colors, and colors make our life beautiful. So in this craft room we have so many things made by our students. There is this fruit basket, these flowers are there. But today I am with you with this beautiful tray, and there are certain bowls in this, and these bowls have certain pulses. This your mama might be making dal and chawals and many more different dishes, yummy dishes from all these ingredients. Okay, let's one by one see what these things are called in English. You might be not knowing now. When your mother might be saying, आज तो हम मूंग दाल बना रहे हैं. What is this moong dal called in English? So this lecture, in this video, I'll be telling you all these things, that what this beautiful names of this all pulses. Okay, so let's start with this. This is in Hindi called moong dal, moong mongar. Okay, so do you like to read this one? This is simple dal, and this is known as yellow gram split. Okay, so this is yellow gram split, and this dal is called a split because it's divided into two. And now this is chana dal. This dal takes a lot of time in cooking. So this dal has to be soaked in water for hours, and then only we can cook this. And what is this known as English? It's a very big name. Listen to it very carefully. It's Bengal gram split. Okay, this is Bengal gram split dal. Okay, this is very, you might not be knowing this ना, हम तो इसको चना दाल ही बोलते हैं, but this is Bengal gram split dal. And now we have this tuar dal also with us. Oh, this is tuar dal. You like the dal tadka, dal fry, ordering it here and there, but because of corona everything stopped. So this is called pigeon peas split dal. This is pigeon peas split. Okay, I know you will not remember it once, so we will listen to the video again and again, so that you remember all the names, so that I can ask you when you come in the school back. And this is a very beautiful thing. This has this, this dal or this cereal has one black eye. You can see this there is a black eye in this. So this black eye, and that's why this is known as black eye pea. Were you knowing this? And now we have this cholas. You love chole bhature? So when are you cooking it for me? This is chola. We all love chole bhature, na? And this chole bhature or this cholas are known as white chickpeas, or we also call it as garbanzo beans. These are beans, okay? These are either white chickpeas. So now we'll be saying it. Please give me some white chickpeas. Will you be saying it or not? And now we have this beautiful green dal with us. Would you like to have this? This is green dal, and this green dal is also known as green gram split. Okay. So lot of learnings. You might be getting bored. मैम इतने सारे नाम एक बार थोड़ी याद होंगे. We'll not be able to remember all this name together. So I have one surprise for you. You know? So what is this? This is a craft paper with a sun. So this craft paper here is printed, but the parents can make a simple sun in their worksheet in a paper A4 size paper. And the first thing is, I'll tell you what all you will require in this activity. Okay, you will require some crayons color. As our name is crayon, so you will require some crayons colors. You require some sketch pens, little bit of Fevicol, and these beautiful yellow dal. Basically what we are making is, it's a yellow day. See my dress, it's also yellow. So all these yellow dals mixed we will be requiring. Then we'll require this type of some sheet or a mat which you can keep down. Remember this mat? Have you seen this type of mat somewhere? No, you do not remember this. And I know you remember. We use this when we eat lunch na, in our classrooms. We give you this na. Before you go, you wash your hands, then you come back, you have this mat, and on this mat only you eat the lunch. So for this activity, you will require this A4 size paper, some Fevicol, crayons colors, sketch pens, and all these beautiful dals. Shall we start with the activity? Are you ready? Okay. First of all, take any color you like, any of these beautiful colors, and you will mention your name. Because it's yellow day, so I am taking a yellow sketch pen. So on this on the upper side, you will mention your name. So I am mentioning my name on this sheet, and after that you will make a simple circle for the sun and some rays like this. I know you can make a round and triangles like this. We have shown you na how it is made. So we will make this circle and this triangle. After which what we will do? We will take some Fevicol or glue, any sticking material, and using the tip of our finger. We पूरे fingers नहीं use करने, only one finger and the tip of this finger. We'll dip it in like this, and we'll stick it all over the paper so that the sun is covered with Fevicol. Okay, properly on the edges so that the things are stuck properly. Now you can wipe your hand with this clothes. That is why we were having the clothes. Then you can start with little bit of this moong dal, and you can just paste like this. Use it very properly. Like this you can use it. In the center you can use this moong dal. And on the outer side you can use this tuvar and chana dal mix, so that your whole sun is covered with beautiful dal, like this. See, the whole sun will be covered, but make sure it does not go out. Okay, so like this you will cover the whole sun. Our whole sun is almost covered. Okay, so we have used all the three type of different kinds of dals so that the sun is covered. Now you'll ask me, ma'am, but what's the use of these crayons? Because the rays are remaining, we'll take out some beautiful yellow color. Where is the yellow color? Aha, here it is. This yellow color, and we will color the rays with crayons. Now make sure that you follow two things. One, the color should be in only one direction. Second, it should not go out of the boundary. It should be very clean. Okay, your hand should be moving in one direction only, and the color should not go out. Like this you will be coloring all the rays, and then this, like this, the worksheet will get over. You will send me this activity. You will be doing the same and sending the activity to me. Okay, so I'll be waiting for this colorful sun of yours. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.